Russell Brunson right here is the co-founder of a $160 million company, ClickFunnels. What he is sharing in this video is the 23 ways to do step number 1 out of 3 steps that any beginner can do starting today and earn $1,000 per day.
You guys are a little annoyed with Mark Zuckerberg and you're trying to figure out how can I get more traffic without giving that dude any more money. In today's video, I'm going to show you 23 ways to get traffic to any website, any funnel without paying Mark Zuckerberg or Google anything. The first category is called free traffic and swaps. All you do is you go out there and you find other people of an email list that's the same size as yours. So again, if you got 1,000 people, find someone with 1,000 person list. You got 10,000, find someone with 10,000, and so on and so forth. And all you can do is call it a list swap, which basically means they're going to send an email to their list promoting your offer. You're going to send an email to your list promoting their offer, and you just swap traffic.
He's saying the best part, but I'm saying the problem of this method is that you need an existing list of email subscribers. And for that, you need to have an opt-in page, high converting, and offer funnel to be able to make money in step number 3. Now stay with me because I'm going to solve this problem in step 3. So step number 2 is go to websites like Warrior Plus or JVZoo, go to affiliate section, click the offer, and you'll find hundreds of offers that you can promote as an affiliate to the traffic. Just click this button, collect your affiliate link, and send all your traffic to your affiliate link. Now when people buy from you, you will make money, but the problem is you don't have opt-in page, you don't have an offer, and you don't have a list. This is why I'm not really happy with this kind of videos. And in order to make $1,000 per day, we recommend high ticket affiliate marketing that pays out minimum $500 plus in affiliate commissions. And the reason our students are extremely excited is because all these things and literally 99% of the technical work is done for you. To learn more, check my profile, the first comment and caption for a free case study.